Welcome to Session 6. The session describes health supply chain management technologies for customer relationship management. It addresses the use of technology for customer relationship management. Greetings, learner, and welcome to Session 6. Before we get started on the topics, let's introduce the session. This session covers customer relationship management technologies. To successfully complete this session, you must cover all of the content, interactions/engagements, and questions provided. Please be advised that there are interactivities and questions that require your participation, as well as instructions on how to complete the theses. Please carefully follow the instructions to complete the interactions and questions. After completing the session, you will be able to describe the overview of customer relationship management, CRM, in the health supply chain management. Identify the benefits of CRM software in the health supply chain management. Describe CRM technologies. Determine the consideration in implementing a CRM and parameters to choose the right CRM software. Explain the types of CRM systems. Describe current trends in CRM, SRM, PRM, ERM. CRM is the management of the relationships between the providing organization and its customers. Customer service provides information from the customers and has the ability to give customers real-time information on product availability, price, and delivery. Some of the key measures of effective SCM include cost, service, productivity, use of assets, and quality. Customer relationship management tools can save business owners a lot of time, reducing administrative burdens and streamlining workflows for sales teams, marketing teams, and customer service teams. The efficiency benefits of customer relationship management include streamlined internal communication. Some customer relationship management systems are designed to help your company's different departments work together. For example, your sales and marketing team can monitor and communicate lead activities within the platform, keeping everyone up to date without time-consuming meetings or email exchanges. Increased capacity for automation. CRM can help you automate marketing, communications, customer interaction, activity logging, and data entry. Improved organization. CRM facilitate contact management. By keeping all of your customer data in one place, a CRM makes it easy to find the information you need to onboard a new client or team member. Efficient business process. Help your team stay productive by defining and building efficient processes for your business. Boost sales. A CRM can help you identify, nurture, and follow up on quality leads. This means that you don't waste time and resources on a prospect that probably won't become a customer. Combined with a reduced sales cycle, you can guide more leads more efficiently and convert them to happy customers in a considerably shorter time. Tactical decision-making. Accurate data from across your organization helps keep your decision-makers informed. Data security and compliance. You can rest assured that your customer data is safe in your vendors' data centers, safeguarded by top-of-the-line physical and digital security mechanisms. Mobile accessibility. A CRM with a mobile app ensures that your team has access to important CRM data, no matter where they are. Customer relationship management. Today's available technologies are cloud technology and cloud-based commerce networks. The biggest benefit of cloud technology and cloud-based commerce networks is that they allow organizations to leverage large pools of IT resources without the need to build and maintain data center infrastructure. HubSpot. HubSpot is a CRM platform, meaning it tracks customer relationships as well as it facilitates marketing, sales, and service processes. SalesFlare. SalesFlare is a B2B sales CRM platform, as it's built specifically to track and organize your B2B operations. EngageBay. EngageBay helps small businesses manage customer relationships and sales processes effectively. It provides a wide range of features, such as contact management, sales automation, lead capture, and marketing automation. Microsoft Dynamics. Microsoft Dynamics is a CRM and enterprise resource planning ERP software meant for improving sales and marketing productivity. Salesforce's CRM, Customer 360, brings customer data plus sales, service, marketing, commerce, IT, and analytics together in a single location for quick access, shareable insights, and easy collaboration. Zoho is a CRM that's fully cloud-based and integrated and offers a variety of features including lead management and scoring, workflow automation, analytics, and marketing and process management. Big Contacts. BIG Contacts simplifies customer relationship management with its easy-to-use design and intuitive interface. Pipedrive is a sales CRM and pipeline management tool ideal for small teams. Freshworks is a sales CRM and customer engagement platform that uses AI to help your sales and marketing teams provide personalized customer experiences. ActiveCampaign is a customer experience automation platform and CRM with a number of tasks and job functions you can automate, including email, segmentation, and personalization. Acro. There are different software selection factors. Usability. More often than not, the thing that stops businesses from adopting new technology is the fact that teams are uncomfortable with using it. So it's important to ensure that the CRM you use offers a clean interface, a great user experience, and is easy to pick up for everyone who'll be using it. Customization. Every business is unique in their process and needs. An ideal CRM for your business would be one that can be easily customized to meet those requirements. Scalability. If your business has an ambitious year-on-year growth target, the CRM must be able to grow with your teams and business by supporting additional modules and custom processes, and integrating with third-party applications that you may be using. Mobility. We live in a time when mobile internet traffic has overshadowed desktop traffic. If you have a sales team in the field, it's important to ensure that they have access to customer data at all times. Security. With concerns for data security at an all-time high, a cloud CRM with secure data centers and industry-standard security practices allows you to continue doing business without having to worry about your customer data being compromised. There are different types of CRM systems. Operational CRM are designed to help execute sales, marketing, and customer service functions. They help streamline and manage all the ways your company interacts with customers. The main goal of this type of operational CRM is improving customer acquisition and retention. They help generate new leads, nurture them, convert them into customers, and retain them through ongoing marketing communications and high-quality customer service. Analytical CRM systems capture, store, and analyze customer data to provide insights into how customers interact with your business, allowing you to assess the effectiveness of marketing, sales, and customer service efforts and adjust your strategy accordingly. Collaborative CRM systems. In a large business, sales, marketing, and customer support teams frequently collaborate on client accounts. The main goal of a collaborative CRM is to improve customer experience and streamline business processes by facilitating communication between departments. Strategic CRM systems are sometimes lumped in with collaborative CRM and provide many of the same features. The difference is that while collaborative CRM focuses on immediate improvements, strategic CRM concentrates on long-term customer engagement. Their main goal is to support customer retention and increase customer loyalty. Strategic CRM collects information about customer needs and priorities to provide value to your client base.